Hello, I'm Melissa and welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. Today we're making this delicious pastry that's made with a package of crescent rolls and your favorite taco meat. We're using ground turkey that's already been seasoned. You've probably seen this on the internet. It is very simple. The recipe has been around for a while. We're making it a little bit differently, however, as usually 2 packages of crescent rolls are used in this recipe. We're only using 1. We're also using our favorite taco meat, which is some turkey that's been cooked with a little bit of taco seasoning and some tomatoes, and we have some cheddar cheese as well. So this recipe is of course very simple, and we're doing it a little bit differently because we only have 1 package of the crescent rolls. So we're going to take this package of crescent rolls and we're just going to roll it out just a little bit. When the individual pieces of our dough have been rolled all into one nice long piece of dough, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it with a little bit of cheese. So we are using sharp cheddar cheese. You can of course use any kind of cheese that you like. One of the nice things about this recipe is you can customize it. Use the cheese that you like, use the meats that you like. We are using ground turkey. We cooked it with our favorite taco seasoning blend, and also a little bit of tomato. I don't know about you, but I like a little bit of tomato in my taco seasoned meat. And we're going to go ahead and spread that out onto our pastry. So when I was making this, I had about 1 pound of ground turkey, and I didn't quite use all of it in this 1 roll of crescent rolls. So I think I probably used about 2/3 of it. And when we have all of our meat and cheese on the pastry, we're going to go ahead and just roll the filling into the dough. And because we want this to be a ring, we're going to go ahead and take one end and join it to the other end so that it creates a circle. And then we are going to transfer our meat-filled pastry to a baking sheet. And we'll take a minute and just fix it a little bit and make sure that it's nice and even and patch the holes a little bit. Then we're going to brush a little bit of melted butter right on top of our pastry just to give it an extra buttery goodness. And then we'll take a little bit of our extra shredded cheese and we are going to sprinkle it right on top. And I'm also going to add a sprinkle of dried oregano as well. And then it is into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until the crust is nice and golden brown. And then we can fill that center ring with whatever taco fillings we like. We could use some cabbage or some diced lettuce. I'm going to fill it with a little bit of nice tomatoes. And sprinkle a few diced black olives on top. And we'll also add a dollop of sour cream. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, savory, and delicious. And best of all, you can customize it however you like. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turned out. And thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. You'll find more recipes, articles, and video online at PennellCentral.com.